In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord token. So if you want to find your Discord token, you need to actually close out of the Discord application. And what we're going to do is just open up Discord in an internet browser. So I'm going to type in discord.com and press enter. In the top right hand side, go and press login. And then you'll need to go and sign in with your Discord credentials. So now that we're logged in to our Discord account, to go and find the token, we just need to come up to the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and you need to ensure that you're doing this on a Google Chrome web browser, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom in this menu and click on more tools, and then click on developer tools. Now in the right hand side, we need to go and open a setting called application. Now in order for me to access this setting, I need to click on the triangular arrow and then just click on application from the list. Now if we scroll up in this left hand navigation, you should see something called local storage. So click on the drop down arrow next to storage and then click on the website discord.com. So now all you need to do is make sure this toolbar at the top left hand side here is selected like so. It should come up with a blue outline around it once it's selected. And then if you click on the search box next to filter, we can just go and type in the word token. And in the left hand navigation where it says key, you'll see this field here called token. So basically everything in this line of text here is my Discord token. So you could basically just go and copy this like so. And that's effectively how you find your token on Discord. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.